Hello, this is Cameron back with United Credit showing our trade line posting. We do these a few times a month just to show proof that our trade lines post on a regular basis. We do this now for 10 years. We have over 400 trade lines posting on a daily basis, ranging from 6 months to about 36 years. Let me see here. So we're going to go to the credit reports. Show the card. This is the one up an account. He bought a Navy Federal Credit Union, 20,000 limit. See here, it's about 2 years old. Revolving authorized user. There you go. Again, this line here. Balance now 0. The majority of our lines are 0 balance to make sure you have to maximize the potential boost on your credit score. Always have a 0 balance. This particular card here costs, I think, $400, so it's discounted for our YouTube followers. Call us for details, 202-213-2218. Again, we do free consultation. If you have questions about credit, about trade lines, we can review your profile for free and let you know how the trade line may impact your credit score. It's totally free. We're still doing the credit repair and the CP and apartment packages, but our bread and butter right now are the trade lines posting on a regular basis. Our list comes out twice a month. It's tradelines.biz. It's trade lines with the s.biz. It's a free list. Sign up there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for the updates. Again, we try and do these videos about 3 to 4 times a month, just showing our lines are continually posting. That's it for today. Subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.